Yo guys, here's a quick rundown on what we're going to be looking at. Okay, here are some lasers right here. Now these are my personal lasers. I'm not sponsored. I'm just making a quick video here to let the average consumer out there, or whoever's watching, the rich guy, the poor guy, the whatever guy watching my video, has a good idea what kind of lasers are out there. But there's all kinds. Dude, there is hundreds of lasers out here. These are just the ones I found to be first affordable, accurate, and then for a pro, I consider myself a pro. The best. I think my favorite is Bosch. I think Bosch makes the best levels, or not levels, but lasers. I own two of them. This one right here, that's a set, and then this one right here. And you can see this one is green, this one is red. Let's get started. Okay, so first up this is for the DI. Well, actually, no, this is for someone getting in. Yeah, the DIYer, the weekend warrior. I need to hang some pictures. My mother-in-law is coming over, and I need to hang up some pictures in the living room because I don't have any. So what am I gonna do? Or I don't fucking know. Like, you need to put something straight. Okay, I recommend this right here. It's cheap, Black & Decker. The DIYers out there love their Black & Decker. Here are the specs. You guys can go ahead and pause it and look. I'm not going to read them off. You got a magnet on the bottom because there's a piece it sits in. This is not all of it, but this is where the laser comes out. You got a level right here for plumb and level. So in all actuality, it with this piece that it comes with this right here, and you pound that into whatever material you will be using. I mean, wherever you're gonna point this at, you can pound this into like a doorway, into the ground. Anyways, it sits in here. Just like that. Then you take, I don't know if I got, yeah, I do got batteries in here. Yeah, see, that's what it looks like. You take your level, stick it on there, and it's supposed to stick there, and you can see the little spike right there. There we go. See that little spike right there? That turns. Lines you up. See, there's 90. So what you do is you'd put this bottom piece on the floor or wherever, and use it as your gauge. So we'll say that's 0. We'll start there for 0 or something, and then so you can line your line it up. See that? Anyways, it's pretty cool, man. It's a pretty cool, cheap little laser that will really do good for someone who likes to do work on their own house, if they can. It's for someone who has the courage to do the work on their own house, because DIYers are by no means a joke of the trade. For me anyways, they're not a joke. There are people who are taking action into their own hands, who have probably respectable jobs, but just don't know how to read a tape measure or use a level, whatever the case may be. I don't know how to do what the fuck they do. Whatever it is, be a whatever. you know, working in the office, typing in shit. Me, I like to build stuff, and these are the things I used to build. So, for someone who's just, you know, needs to hang a picture, this is a great one. Now, bumping up to the entry level, I recommend this Craftsman right here. And it comes with there's a stand, and I don't know. It's so here it is. Jesus, right on my GoPro. Look at that. Here's the stand. Right here. And, you know, this is for the ground. This is for a tripod. Then your laser here. You push this down in the front and it turns it on. And if you twist this line, there's your level line. So wherever this line is pointed, hold on. See that I moved that? Wherever that line's pointed, that's what reflects onto the wall or whatever you're using to actually, no, I take that back. I take that back. That's where you put the batteries. I'm sorry, guys. Right here. See that? See the laser turning in there? See, that's plumb. That's level. That's plumb. That's level. That's what, 45, 90. You know. It's a great level. Laser track by Craftsman. It's a Craftsman. Levels on top. Has these cool little mounts. Sits in there. It's magnetic. This one's for a tripod. It just sits right on there. You can actually screw these into that. I think, yeah. See that you can screw those top pieces into it. So again, that's another this one. I'd recommend that one right there for you know, the person getting into the trades that's not getting into that's not framing on a framing crew, but really getting into something. Maybe someone grew up with you know, a dad who did finish carpentry like I do. I didn't grow up. I started framing, and then I moved to the finished carpentry, but if you're getting into finished carpentry, you need a laser. You absolutely need a laser. And so if you don't have much cash, or if you're hard up on money yet, I recommend this one right here. I mean, I don't know the exact prices of these. I just know my two Bosches right here, the ones I moved to next, are very expensive. So now we're moving to the ones I use now. I use both of these often, but majority of the time I'll use the second one I show you. One is a green laser, one is a red laser. Some guys prefer the green, some guys prefer the red. I don't give a shit as long as I can see a straight line. So here we go. This is my newest one. I just picked this up, and it is absolutely awesome. So we turn it on to the first on. The first on. Do I have? Yeah, you can't really see it. Oh, I'm running low on batteries. That's how you do your level line. There's your plumb line. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see it. It's flashing because it's not level. So you got these two. You got off and then on and then on. On with the lock that's open. On with the lock that's locked. That means when you got it on that middle on, your pendulum inside here. Here, let me turn this off. your pendulum inside there doesn't move around. You also want to get one when you turn it off. The pendulum doesn't move around. It's locked in there. Only when it's engaged on that third one will the pendulum move freely, and it will level out for it. It won't. When it stops blinking, it's level. So this I highly recommend for a pro, for anyone who does finish carpentry, anyone that needs to do trim, baseboard, hanging cabinets. Highly recommend this one. This is actually, I'd get this one before this one. I got it the other way. I got this one before this one. But this one right here is, okay, last but not, the one I use the most. And this one probably is the coolest one out of all of them. I'm just getting right to it. This one right here is a receiver box. This is what I use. I put this on a level, 7-foot level. And I'll walk around a foundation or a slab of land that is level for a foundation, and I'll make sure every corner is level. This will let you know by reading the laser. I place that laser in the middle of the foundation, and I just walk around with this thing waiting for it to beep. It'll go beep, 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 beep when I'm level, and then I'll walk to another spot, get it to beep. So what it's doing, folks, is letting me know that everywhere I go, where that foundation is going to be is level. Okay, and that I can't say enough about. Technology. Wow, that is really cool. So, if you have the money, which not all of you do, I sure as hell don't. It took me a while to get this. I highly recommend these. This one has a red line. You can see it. It also has your level line, and then it has your plumb line. See that right up there, guys? And then it has your cross. See that right there? It's cool because I can move it. I can move my plumb line right over there if I wanted to. You see that? Pretty cool, huh? So, there we have it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got actually 5 levels, but 4. These ones right here. Turn this off before I go blind. But there you go. Here are all your levels of the lineup. And, I forgot to tell you too, you got to get some kind of hard case. Or I carry my big one in here. It has foam inserts. My little one has this for when I walk out on the job site. Other than that, I'll carry them in here. And these are just they're like Pelican boxes you get, at Harbor Freight, but they're patchy. So that's what I keep them in. You want to keep them somewhere safe, dry, cool. And you want to, this is a tool that you actually want to take really, really good care of. Make sure it's clean, wash it, treat it like dirt will make it melt. Treat it like it's made of gold, because it damn near is. See if I can do this one hand. There you go. That holds that one, and this one goes in here. These two little guys go down there, and that one. So, there you have it, guys. the lasers I recommend in the world of carpentry to these are these when I was coming up, as I'm still coming up, I'm still young, but when in the beginning, this is the order I would go in if I could go back and do it again. This is what I recommend. You can't go wrong. Your work will be plumb, true, straight, plumb, and true, and that's all you want, right? Allowable tolerances don't allow nothing but perfection in on my job site, so I demand perfection out of my lasers. Anyway, smash the like button below if you like this content. Please subscribe if you want to hear more. Smash the bell button if you want to get alerted for when I drop some new knowledge on you all. Catch you on the flip side, guys. Be safe.